Hey everyone, welcome back to the BK42 channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lankeleisi X3000 Plus-Up, a beastly looking foldable electric bike that's designed for off-road riding. It has a powerful 1000 watt motor that can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour and a large 17.5 ampere hours battery that provides up to 90 kilometers of range on a single charge. Let's put it through a real-world test to see if it's worth the 1,600 euros price tag. Without further ado, let's get started. The Lankeleisi X3000 Plus-Up is equipped with a seriously powerful 1000 watt brushless motor that can go as fast as 45 kilometers per hour. In my tests, I managed to reach an impressive top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Going any faster than that was no piece of cake. This motor is a beast when it comes to torque and climbing capability. It can tackle off-road trails like a champ without breaking a sweat. Sure, it's not the quietest motor out there, but personally, I kinda dig its sound. To quench the thirst of its engine, the X3000 comes with a removable 48 volts, 17.5 ampere hour battery. You can charge it directly on the bike or take it off and charge it elsewhere. Taking out the battery is a breeze. Simply unlock the folding mechanism, utilize the supplied key to unlock the battery, fold the bike, and effortlessly slide the battery out of the frame. When you're ready to reinsert the battery, remember to secure it in place by locking it with the key. While the advertised range is approximately 100 kilometers, I managed to cover only 62 kilometers during my tests. Keep in mind that I mainly rode at levels 3 and 4, with minimal pedaling, so with a different riding style, it might go even further. A full charge typically takes around 5 to 6 hours, but I can't say for sure what kind of cells are inside the battery. Let's delve into the folding frame design and suspensions of the Lankeleisi X3000 Plus-Up. I must admit, among budget-friendly folding e-bikes I've tested, this one stands out with its impressive front and rear suspension system. The aluminum frame not only prioritizes practicality when it comes to folding the bike for any purpose, but also exudes a modern and aggressive look. The welds are skillfully executed, and the rear fork is cleverly designed to provide functional suspension while keeping the bike lightweight. The front suspension on this bike is seriously cool. It's got the RST XCT air fork with 80 millimeters of travel. It not only looks awesome, but works like a charm too. No matter how rough the terrain gets, this suspension keeps things smooth and comfortable. Now, there's this adjustment ring, but honestly, I couldn't really feel any major difference when I spun it around, except for locking and unlocking the suspension. On the rear, there's a simple and yet effective Gosuke's 65X200 shock absorber without any adjustable features. Weighing in at around 81 kilograms, I found that the combination of the front and rear suspension worked exceptionally well for me. This bike stands out from the rest as one of the first folding bikes I've tested that incorporates such fantastic and functional suspension components. The X3000 Plus-Up is equipped with Zoom hydraulic brakes that are finely tuned and capable of rapidly stopping the bike when necessary. With two 180mm rotors, the left lever controls the rear brake, while the right lever operates the front brake. For enhanced safety, the brakes are equipped with motor inhibitors that instantly cut off the motor power as soon as we engage the levers. The handlebar measures 72 centimeters in width and offers the flexibility to be raised or lowered by adjusting the stem angle, allowing you to find the most comfortable and optimal riding position. Unlike many folding bikes that come with unsightly scooter-style handlebars, this bike breaks the mold with its sleek and stylish design. On the left side of the handlebar, you'll find the controls for the pedal assistance, including the on and off buttons, as well as the horn and front light switch. On the right side, you'll come across the gear shifter and the half throttle. Speaking of the throttle, its response is impressively quick. It provides a swift acceleration, and as soon as you release it, the engine power shuts off. There's hardly any delay, ensuring a seamless and responsive riding experience. The 7-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur on this bike is dialed in perfectly and offers excellent support during rides. Even without any power assistance, Cruising on the X300 is a breeze, thanks to the versatile 7 speeds. The monochromatic display performs exceptionally well even on sunny days. The display is user-friendly and efficiently presents all the essential information you need, including the current speed, battery level, power consumption, trip distance, and the active pedal assist level. Additionally, it allows you to access and adjust various bike settings, such as locking and unlocking the maximum speed, providing customization options to suit your preferences. The X3000 Plus-Up is equipped with Chaoyang 20 inches by 4 inches all-terrain tires that are ideal for both off-road adventures and on-road trips. These tires offer a stable and comfortable ride, ensuring a smooth journey regardless of the terrain. To tackle rainy or muddy conditions, the X3000 comes equipped with a pair of durable plastic mudguards. These mudguards effectively shield you and the bike from splashes and debris, keeping you clean and protected during your rides. You won't go unnoticed with this bike. It's way bigger in person and the paint job is flawless. Don't be fooled though. It looks heavier than it actually is. Weighing only 31 kilograms, it's not too heavy for this type of bike. And carrying it around is a piece of cake. Plus, the foldable plastic pedals help make it even more compact when folded, so you can easily take it with you wherever you want without breaking a sweat. Of course, as we all know, there is no such thing as a perfect e-bike. While these folding bikes are suitable for both short and tall riders, there are a couple of minor issues I came across. When I set the saddle height to maximize cycling power by keeping my legs straight, it becomes a bit challenging to reach the ground when I need to stop the bike. I have to get out of the saddle, which can be inconvenient at times. If you happen to be taller than 180 centimeters, here's a little tip. I suggest swapping out the saddle tube for a longer one to prevent any potential damage to the frame. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference. Additionally, the positioning of the kickstand can be a bit bothersome when my feet are at the rear side of the pedals. I kept bumping into the kickstand. Although these issues don't heavily impact my overall riding experience, I do hope that Lankeleisi addresses them in the next generation of the X3000 Plus. Another thing worth mentioning is that there is no taillight integrated into the e-bike system. While there is a reflector in the rear rack, it lacks brake or tail lights. This is a small downside in terms of safety and visibility, and it would be beneficial if future versions of the bike include integrated taillights. The headlight on the X3000 Plus-Up functions flawlessly when activated, providing ample illumination. However, one drawback is that there is no on and off indication in the display, which would be helpful for knowing the status of the headlight. Additionally, it would be great to see a larger and more aggressive headlight in future models, enhancing both visibility and aesthetics. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Lankeleisi X3000 Plus-Up. Pros: powerful 1000 watt motor, long-range battery, excellent front dual fork air suspension, comfortable ride, foldable and clever frame design, fast shifting Shimano 8-speed gears, beautiful color combination, affordable price. Cons: kickstand position, cheap rear shock suspension, lack of taillights. The Lankeleisi X3000 Plus-Up is an awesome choice for anyone who wants an affordable, powerful, and super comfy electric mountain bike. Right now, it's priced at €1,599. But guess what? I've got an exclusive discount code for you. Just use the discount code and the link in the description below to snag an even better deal. Seriously, this is a killer price for a folding e-bike with all these amazing features. Trust me, out of all the e-bikes I've tested, this one is up there with the best. I really hope you found this review helpful. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.